Hello everyone. Are you suffering from upper back pain and having a stiff spine and increased kyphosis? And everybody points out to you that you are sitting in an abnormal posture, and every time when you want to correct it, you feel pain. Then this can be the choice of treatment for you. So what you can do is just take a chair and sit close to the wall with the head facing towards the wall, and now place both the hands over the wall and forehead over your hands in this manner. Now you can ask your partner to place the heel of the hand at the level of the segment where you feel the maximum stiffness and pain. So let's say it is the lower border or the lower inferior angle of the shoulder blade where you feel the pain most, and this area feels stiff. So what we can do is we can just place the heel of the hand just inferior to the stiff area. And now the person who is sitting is going to take a breath in, and while exhaling is going to take the chest towards the wall. And now from here, we are going to use the contraction of a large muscle here, which is known as the erector spinae, to relax the upper thoracic spine. Now what I want you to do is, I want you to inhale and push into my hand. So it is the heel of the hand that the patient has to push, which is over the spinous process. Now hold your breath for the count of 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now exhale and try to go even closer to the wall. Now again inhale and push into my hand. Good. And hold your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And relax. Try to take your chest even closer to the wall. And we can do this at any level of the thoracic spine. This is going to be an excellent technique that is going to give very quick results and is going to improve your posture and reduce pain. Do try this and let us know your valuable feedback. See you all in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and stay connected.